Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use animated stickers in CapCut PC. So here I've already opened my projects in CapCut PC. Now I'm going to just add a sticker. So click on stickers at the top, and then you can just choose the stickers that you want to use. You can choose based on the category in here. For example, I'm going to use these stickers right here. Let's use this vlog sticker. Okay, I'm going to just use the subscribe now stickers. You can click on a plus icon in here, and this is how the sticker look like. And to make it an animated sticker, you can just click on stickers in here and find animations at the top right corner and choose the animations that you want. There are three categories: in, out, and loop. So this is the in and this is the out if you are using out. Okay, or you can also use the loop one. So loop one is how you make it move again and again. So let's try this shake. Okay, I'm going to just use this one, and here if you're using the loop, you can adjust the speed to how you like it. This is the animated stickers on the CapCut PC. And so that's all for me. Oops. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Bye.